Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, are you waiting on hanging out for the Series 2 LDV Campervan 4-seater? Well, if you prefer that over the 2-seater, there's been some delays, but there's a batch of photos that I'm presenting here that shows that it's not that far away. The 2026 LDV Series 2 4-seater is off the boat and now awaiting compliance apparently. So what can you expect? Come on, let's take a look at these photos. On the outside, apart from the same changes to the grille, it's got the black pattern insert rather than the lack of the horizontal chrome bars. It looks like not much else has changed. There's no extra windows in the back and all the auxiliaries are in the same familiar places. But is there going to be an Anderson plug out the rear? Only time will tell when specs are released. On the inside, you can assume that the dash has had the same upgrade, merging all of its buttons to the larger touchscreen and the column gear selector with the electronic handbrake. The kitchen has seen the lion's share of the updates and the changes. There's a new, larger, lower kitchen cabinet with a noticeably larger square sink in a new position. There's a larger rectangular 2-hob induction stove as well. The fire extinguisher has moved to a similar position of the 2-seater and the flip-up table is noticeably wider. A larger, deeper full-width drawer with a vertical pantry and the microwave has been moved to beneath the counter. The fridge is now a smaller bar fridge, but there's no specifications on size as yet. And the fridge moved, we now have more wall space with a few shelves now added. The upper cabinetry is more streamlined, but it still has 4 banks of cupboards. Now remember, these are early pictures that have been supplied to us. The specs have yet to be released, but we're reliably informed that these new Series 2 4-seaters will be in the showrooms in the next week or so and maybe hitting customers' hands soon after. So we'll know soon enough. But moving on, we look at this and we see that the maxi fan looks to have been deleted from the hall outside the bathroom. The night light for the bed and the switch for it has been moved closer to the wall, but the fridge switch has been moved up into the upper cabinetry. The TV has now joined the 4-seater. And from the rear, it looks much the same as the Series 1, with the access to the lithium battery, with the bed arrangement and the awning pole all carrying over in their same positions. The fuse box, table and the fan dial also carry over, and it does look like the 4-seater looks to retain the faux leather fabric, unlike the 2-seater which reverted to a cloth black fabric. There's no known changes to the solar panels, the battery size or the water tanks as yet until specs get released, which I assume will be by the time you look at this video. With the photo provided, it looks like the bathroom is staying much the same. But once it is released and starts reaching customers' hands, I'm sure we'll know if there's any differences. Well, that's all good, but what about the price, I hear you ask? Well, the current Series 2 2-seater has a recommended selling price of $102,990 here in Australia. The indicated price for this new Series 2 4-seater is just $2,000 more at $104,990 Australian dollars. That is still a bargain. So what do you think of these changes? Are you holding out for a Series 2 4-seater? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're there, hit us up with a like and share it. Why not? Send the love around, the channel could do with it. Thanks so much.